Ever wondered how to write an essay that really wins? Well, today we're laying out the blueprint.
See, the real trick isn't just writing. It's about building an argument that's impossible to ignore. Okay, let's jump right in. We're going to cover the 5 techniques that make up this whole blueprint.
Okay, this is huge. It all starts before you write. This is your secret weapon for clarity.
So, your first 30 minutes, just break it down into these 3 simple, powerful steps.
And believe me, the difference is huge. An examiner can tell right away if you planned or not.
All right, next up, the introduction. This is how you grab your reader and just don't let go. You're going to start broad here. Kick things off with a big, universal statement that hooks them in.
Then you start to narrow it down, gently guiding the reader right toward your specific subject.
And for the final move, you land your sharp, specific thesis. That's the core of your whole essay.
So remember, that intro is your first impression. You absolutely have to make it count.
Okay, now let's build some bulletproof body paragraphs. Each one has got to be a mini argument.
It's a simple 4-step recipe. You're going to use this for every single body paragraph you write.
And stick to this rule, 1 idea per paragraph. It's the key to making your argument super clear.
A great essay can fall apart with a bad conclusion, so let's make yours absolutely unforgettable.
First, you bring back your main argument, but this time, say it in a new, more powerful way.
Next, you quickly recap your strongest arguments. Just a couple of sentences will do the trick.
And finally, you end with a bang. This is your last chance to leave a lasting impression.
So, what's the big picture framework that holds this all together? Well, that's the IRAC method.
Your whole essay should just follow this logical path. It guides your reader from start to finish. So there you have it, all 5 techniques in one place. This is your complete toolkit for success. Because remember, this isn't just about writing. It's about showing them how you think. That's the goal.